How to get books of cards in Clash Royale. So if you want to get books of cards in Clash Royale, then what you need to do is just follow this video. So if you're trying to collect books of cards here in Clash Royale, just know that they are super rare and they're not the easiest thing to get. But there's two main ways that you can go ahead and find them. First way is through special events. So first open up your Clash Royale. Now, occasionally, Clash Royale does run limited time events that rewards books of cards, especially like the common ones, the rare ones, and the epic ones. While this current event that is going on right now at the time I'm recording is this one. It might be different in your case. Some doesn't necessarily offer any books of cards, many others have. So always check the rewards before each event does end. Now, the other option is to get extremely lucky in a 5-star lucky draw. Lucky drops you can get every single day. You get 4 of them for free by just getting wins. And the drop rates from books are on the lower side. But if RNG is on your side, you might actually go ahead and pull one from there. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.